The S-5-TXL clamp is the perfect solution for attaching snow retention systems to your McElroy metal trap tee, Morin SymmeTry, and similar metal roof profiles. Its innovative insert design allows easy placement over the seam, simplifying the installation process. This clamp is engineered for T-shaped standing seam profiles with a horizontal projection of up to 1.7 inches. Whether you're dealing with heavy snow or high winds, the non-penetrating design of the S-5-TXL is built to handle it. For heavy-duty snow retention, pair the S-5-TXL with ColorGard 2.0 to create a robust snow guard system. This combination helps in minimizing the risk of rooftop avalanches, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Like all S5 clamps, the S5-TXL has undergone rigorous testing. It's been evaluated for both normal to seam and parallel to seam loads, proving its reliability under pressure. Equipped with two T30 Torx round point set screws, the S5-TXL dimples the roofing material without penetrating it, preserving your roof's warranty. And it comes with an M8 bolt for secure attachments. With the S5-TXL, you get a seamless blend of functionality and durability. And you guessed it, installation is easy. Partially thread the included round point set screws into the clamp by hand. Next, place the clamp over the seam so the batten cap of the seam is nested into the horizontal throat of the clamp. Now you're ready to slide the insert into position. With a dial indicating torque wrench, calibrate your screw gun torque control to ensure you achieve the recommended torque. Using the provided T30 Torx bit tip, tighten the set screws with the screw gun. Tighten one, then the other. The seam material will compress, so be sure to retighten both set screws a second time. Now tighten the top M8 bolt and you're done.